Out of 20, 15 were sorted out by sending them to the nearby relatives. We talked with their parents, they accepted, we communicated with them, they accepted, and they are with their relatives nearby the school. Then 5 are totally stranded, and they are at school, they are sleeping with the children who are in the boarding section. And these 5, we are collaborating with their parents, and they know they're in the safe hands of their teachers.
Jackson Bogere uri omudumzi wa polisi mu district ya Hoima yashoborera ngo bwahati polisi ayemereza abantu bona barikwenda kucekanise ngo uteje mpaka bw'amezi garagaritse hansi teriho no kugira ngo bataho gundi muhanda ukuza Kampala urukurabiro muri Masindi ecy'abantu bari kuvuga taxi bagira ngo nkiza ko bateganisa munonga abo kubora igendo ndubarwa yiyongera.
Nobody is allowed to cross from here to the other side of Chakwanzi because of the heavy running waters, and there's nothing so far that we can do as of now, not until the water levels come down. My appeal to members of the public is that they should remain calm, they should adhere to the guidelines that we are giving them. Anybody wishing to cross the other side of the district from Hoima here, the only alternative road is Hoima, Masindi, Kafu.
In fact, we decided to raise some transport charges, whereby we've been charging 20,000. So from yesterday, there was an increment of transport from 20,000 to 200, 5. So we are very sorry on that, but we are trying to make the situation stable.
Bogere yayunzira yashoborera ngo izuba rya nyuma abazyo inabantu bagemesereze kucekanisa kuzatenkwanzi ngo konketi tayemerezwa.
Yesterday, before us reaching here, people were trying to cross, but when we came, we took over, and indeed we talked to them, and indeed they are compliant. People are no longer forcing themselves to cross. Even the heavy waters, nobody can temper because life is dear.
Abaturage abatari bamwe na bamwe abagambaho na Sky TV baterera ikitongore cy'ukujunanizwa habiyenguto mu ihanga ecya Uganda National Road Authority okwimutiramu kikacungura abantu abo kubo bwahati tubeine burabo.
So we are requesting the human assistance so that they can see from the other year, last year, then up to this year, they can go and see where the demarcation of water, and so that they can raise the bridge from the demarcation of water, then up the bridge.
N'abantu abasubira okwamata bagaleta ku Hoima nabwera amata tikakyenjaga so mbera niyo mbera no yona ahandi izirabo bugara wabayinura baseme kuri abamwe bagogorage emifure ijege kutahya amazi iri haino rugudege ne bihamwe ebinanka bitogo ebigarire pipe yozo ebitogo bihukire ebiri haine pipe begarire pipe ne gukora amazi gatemba hayiguru gataga kuchwa harugudu hayiguru kikosa kwa bayi babihire mukara
Ogu nugwo murundi gwo kubanza omugyera gwa Kafu Okuboogwa amaizi gakatahirira abantu mu myaka 2 yonka. Amakuru aga gashakwa Gad asaba aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Hoima.